How to change avatar in Lost Light. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want your character to look different or feel more you in Lost Light, then changing your avatar is a great place to start. First of all, launch open Lost Light game and wait until you reach the lobby page. Now once you're inside this lobby screen, go to the upper left corner and tap on your current avatar. You'll then be able to open this player info section. Go to the upper right corner and click the settings drop down. In the pop-up, click on change avatar. Now on the next page, you can select a different avatar you want to change to from the list. Some of the avatars are already unlocked while some needs to be unlocked after completing a certain level. And once you select an avatar, click on use on the right corner. Soon after you do that, you will see that your avatar has been changed in your player info page. So that's how it's done. You can easily change your avatar in the game with just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.